Well, gentlemen, there she is, the Savana. Incredible. I can't believe we found it. Let's see if we can get a battery in her. Watch your step over there. Is this beam stable? Looks clear, keep moving. There's the badge. Pretty corroded, but it's all there. Okay, I've got the shot. This confirms the model year. Keep coming back. Easy, watch that corner. Okay, hold it right there. All right, keep pulling. Steady now, steady. She runs. We did it, boys. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. All right, keep it coming straight back. A little tighter to the right. Right there, and set the brake. The corrosion on this panel is significant. How are we addressing the rust? We'll need to chemically treat this area. The oxidation up top also needs immediate attention. Look at the rust damage here. Yeah, and the oxidation underneath is worse than we thought. Make a note of the dent on the rear quarter panel too. All right, easy down, watch the hose. Looks good, a little more to the right, and set. That looks tight, how's the rear? Secured, all clear for lift. All right, easy up on the crane.
After factory recovery, the bare chassis reveals its original engineering. Every rivet and weld is exposed, coated in surface rust.
pressure climbing past 50,000. Still tight on the left rail. Holding steady now. Perfect. We're back to factory spec. Okay, bring it down slowly now. Clearances look good on this side. Hold it right there, checking the alignment. All right, steady. We're clear on the dowels. Send it home. Looks good. Easy now, watch those mounts. Looks aligned on my side. Go ahead and tighten her up. He's home. All right, I got the front bolt started. All right, let's get this panel secured. The fit is perfect. It looks factory new. Hold it steady. I'm starting the sequence.
Specified torque reached on the first 3.
Look at that pearl finish shining under these lights. Absolutely flawless work, team. The panel gaps are perfect too. Yeah. Okay, ease it down on the left. Holding it steady. Yeah. Secured at the back. Looks good. Woohoo! Yeah, we did it! Woo! She's beautiful.
After factory recovery, the fully restored 2005 GMC Savana stands complete.